Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I create a daytime and evening autumnal look. Going in with the warm Cranberry Essentials eye palette and taking the color rose gold in my crease and softly winging it out. Taking the same color and buffing it through my bottom lash line. Now going into dusk to deepen my crease and my bottom lash line. I'm sweeping Stone Cold on the inner section of my lid, which really helps to brighten them. A good tip is to clean up any hard edges or mistakes with a little concealer. For extra dimension, I'm pressing a very small amount of Red Rock along the outer top and bottom lash line, then diffusing it out with my finger. Of course, layering a few coats of Smokey Eye Mascara. For a soft daytime lip, I'm taking Cocoa Lip Pencil along the edges of my lip and pairing it with Honey Crush Jelly Lip Shine. I also love using the Crush Jelly as a dewy blusher. How gorgeous is that? Now I'm going to turn this into a smoky autumnal look just by adding one product. Cinnamon Cream Shadow Stick screams autumn in an eyeshadow. I'm drawing this through the middle of my eye and buffing it out with the brush. Taking the same shadow all along my bottom lash line and smoking it out, and also using it to create a small wing liner. Applying another few coats of Smokey Eye Mascara, then popping on Champagne Quartz in the inner corner of my eye for a little brightness. Pairing this look with a deeper lip, lining my lips with Chocolate Lip Pencil and pressing Blush Crush Lip color over the top for a sexy 90s lip. And there you have my day and nighttime autumnal looks. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.